All right, I'm going to show you how I took my house from what I have to do every year with these kind of Christmas lights to the Govee outdoor permanent LED lighting that transformed it into looking like this. Now, I only did above my garage for context, but after this, I do want to add it to the rest of my house. I love how these looked. I did a little bit of a cleaner install with this wire cabling, so the wire is not actually showing. But these turned out great, phenomenal. I'm gonna love the look. Love the look. I want to show you how easy it is to use the app. Super easy to set up.
So they're all installed. I'm going to show you what the app looks like. You change obviously specific colors. Uh, you can make them brighter, less bright. Color management, you know, pretty simple. Get different colors. That's kind of cool. The scenes, you should have some different scenes here. Again, can do the brightness. There's some fun ones. Aurora. Let's look at the one everyone wants to know, Christmas. There's Christmas tree, kind of cool. Christmas. So a lot of different holidays you can see. Um, white light, morning. A lot of fun stuff. Um, Collaboration, all just different things. Um, so music is kind of cool. I'm not going to play it, but it's pretty cool from the device. You can actually sync it up with anything that's playing. It does link to Alexa. The user's guide shows you that, but really fun thing. App is super easy to connect. Download it, connect to your Wi-Fi. But yeah, here we go. This will look like in the day.
So my review of these Govee outdoor lights is they're absolutely phenomenal. I give this a 5 out of 5. Super easy to install, super easy to set up. Check it out for yourself.